Welcome to LOL Let's All Finish. My name is Kasuri Jha and I'm your host for this Let's All Finish podcast. Oops, not it's a podcast, it's a mini podcast. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like this channel. So summer is there, and in this summer, we need to keep many things on mind. Our phone trends are not exactly immune like us, so we have to be very careful. And you will see many summer hacks are there. Number one, importance of hydration. Do not forget to keep your dog hydrated. How? Always keep your bowls of your dogs full of water. Always. Whenever they feel like, they can go and have their water. Number two, prevent heat stroke. How? So, preventing heat stroke, it's very easy and on our hand. Do like schedule a routine for morning walk, evening walk, and when sun is down, go for the walk. When pavements are not so hot, and after sundown evening, go for the walk. So that time also they will feel relaxed. So scheduling your dog's walk is very important. Number three, safe outdoor playtime. So in this summer, there is very limited place, dog parks and where at morning time or our afternoon daytime we can take our babies to play because parks and everywhere is so hot. So what you can do, try this swimming hack. Either you have a swimming pool like balloon type swimming pool at your home, or you can search for such play areas where nowadays dog-friendly play areas have swimming pools. So go for the pool parties with your dog. They love it, they will enjoy it, and good for their health also. Water games and swimming, like safety is very important, so do not forget that. But try this. Number four, pet-friendly travel destinations. You can plan somewhere which are pet-friendly summer destinations. Something different for you also, for your pet also. Now, this one, number five, shaving is one of the dangerous part for your pet, for which your pet can get the direct heat and get stroke. Shaving is not the ultimate. You can trim, but no shave. Shaving is not for dogs. So, why I said into this grooming pack, because I'll give you a hair home remedy where you can make a paw balm, no brand. I'm not promoting any brand. It's pure home base and very quick, and you can use it for a long time. It will help you for at least dry skin, any allergies, paws, dry nose, anything. So if you want, you can note it down. Just take a simple coconut oil, and take some neem leaves. It's kind of green color. You will get very, very frequently anywhere like neem leaves. Like it's a beta test. So boil that neem leaves and coconut oil, like a lukewarm. The moment it gets boiled, just strain it and put it in a box. When it's hot, put camphor on it, like 4-5 camphor on it, and store it. Keep it for cool. The moment it becomes cool, you can see it become thick. So you can use it on paws, on nose, on ear part. Dog's ear parts you can use because from their entire body get that fragrance. No ticks will be there, no allergies will be there. Even they got some dry parts, dry rashes, you can use over there. Use some cotton balls, it will help. And trust me, it's all purpose. You can check their paws and everything. If you use this hair and get any benefit, comment below that you get benefit. I love all these DIY things and I would love to practice in my own. So you can always comment. Share if anything you think that whatever I discussed today is important, then share this to your friends, families, whoever have furry friends. Signing off, Kasturi Jha. Let's Outreach will come something more exciting. Pet parent series are starting. Get ready. Bye-bye. Be working.